What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
We've got a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. As you guys can see, we got a muffler delete done on it. Factory converter there. There's a primary, secondary. That's where usually the huge muffler comes. Right there, I'll show it to you guys in a second. We took it off. And it's still got the resonator, still got the factory tip on it. He didn't want it too loud, he just wanted to hear it. There's the old muffler that was on it that we took off right there and replaced it. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Not bad. That Santa Fe's got some sound to it now. Not bad. Your sound decibels? Right at 100. Again? Not bad. Go ahead and back it up. Nice tone to it. You want it louder? I can make it louder.
Yeah, but how much does it cost?
Again? Look. Let you guys hear it on the inside. You guys haven't seen this in a Santa Fe before. He does sound competitions. Look at that thing. Good Lord. That thing bumps. I'll let you guys see a little something.